This is Infiniti QX80 2019 model. I'm going to make the all key lost. Going to program this 3 remote, okay, by OBD. So first I'm going to the Nissan. Selected, manual selected from model Infiniti QX80 2014-2019. Press enter. Approximately program smart key. So all key will be erased. Okay, take out the all smart key. Press the start button once and press enter. Open and close the door. Press enter. So pin code is the new pin code. Press the enter. Okay, now just put it like that and keep on the pressing until the switch ignition is on. Enter. Switch ignition off. Okay, success program. Next one. Okay. Press enter. Switch ignition off. Press enter. It's also success. Okay, now I'm going to the third remote programming OBD. X-Horse remote, this one. Press enter. Switch ignition off. Enter. Program success. No more keys. Now the first key that you program it, put it like that until the switch ignition on. Press enter. Switch ignition off. Enter. Open the driver door. Press enter. Press the unlock. Unlock. Unlock and unlock. Okay. Okay. Program completed. Now take out the device. First key is finish. Second key, finish. Third key is finished. All the key will be working now. Working. Okay. 3 keys working. Okay. This, and this. Now I'm going to start the car. Success. See now 3 keys is working.